I hear you. You're frustrated. I hear you. You're upset. I hear you. You do all of this, and it seems so pointless at times. You're tired of being a no one, and I hear you. I am too. I too am tired of being the shadow of a man I once was. I too am tired of being the resemblance of a scarred man. I too could sit here and complain all day. Make a live stream going on and on about how tired I am. Because I am. But the thing is, nothing changes if you don't change. And no change is done without great amount of effort and sacrifice. To get something, one must lose something of equal value. To learn a lesson without pain is meaningless. In this journey, the garden you grow shines beautifully inside of you, where the light of common gaze can't shine. And more often than not even you will realize how far you've come. Not even you will remember how desperate you would be 1 year ago to be where you are today. But all of these are true, soldier. You've come so far. There is hope for people. There is hope for us. The battle against your vice may be fought inside you. It may be invisible to everyone else, but it isn't for me. It isn't for you. It isn't invisible for us. Your greatness, your energy, claim that power, soldier. Rise atop of the world with a light breaking out from your heart. Shine like the beacon of light you were born to be. Shine the light of kindness around you. We are kindness. We are strength. We are protector of the innocent. We are the light in the darkness. We are the hope of a better future. The hope of next generations. We are hope. Will you walk this path with me?